Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to create custom color palettes in Tableau. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for upcoming and interesting video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the question comes, why we need custom color palettes when Tableau has well-designed color palette? So sometimes you need to apply a specific color range for your dashboard which may not be present into a single color palettes, and then you need to search for multiple color palettes to select the required color, so it will consume a lot of time and frustrating as well. So for instead of doing this, we can create our custom color palettes to save our time so that we can apply the color that we want at dashboard. Okay, so we can create custom color palettes for categorical color palettes, sequential color palettes, and diverging color palettes. Okay, for all of these, we just need to change the type regular to categorical, ordered sequential for sequential color palettes, and ordered diverging for diverging color palettes. Okay, so let's see how we can use and create custom color palettes in Tableau. I am using sample Superstore dataset for this video. I will provide the link in the description box to download this dataset. Okay, now let's see how we can use Tableau redefined color palettes. So for this, let's drag some field. I'm using ship mode with sales. Okay, so if we want to apply categorical color palette, so we can just drag ship mode into color, and now we can see categorical color palette is applied to our view. So if we want to use sequential color palette, so instead of using ship mode, we drag profit into color, and now you can see sequential color palette is applied to our view. If we want to change it to diverging color palette, so you can just go to palettes and select the palettes. So these are the diverging color palettes available in Tableau. Okay, so I'm using gold and purple as of now, and just click on OK. So now you can see a diverging color palette is applied to our view. So now how we can add our custom color palettes in Tableau? For this, just go to your Tableau repository, and here you will find one file that is preference.tps. Just open it with your text editor, and here under workbook tag, define our preference tag. Inside the preference tag, we will define our color palettes. Okay, so now under preference tag, let's define our color palette name and type color palette, PLE, color palette name. We will define color palette for categorical. Okay, categorical palettes, and we will define type for categorical palettes is regular. Okay, just close the parenthesis, and now we'll add our color that we want to add under this palettes. Okay, I already copied some of these codes, so I will provide all of these in the description box. Okay, now just close this color palette tag. Okay, and just save it. Now just restart your Tableau. You can just save your work and you can close it. Okay, so now for this, let's remove profit, because by using profit we are using sequential color palettes. Let's drag our ship mode back to the color, go to color, edit color, and now when you go to the bottom, you can see categorical palettes is added in our Tableau palettes. Okay, you can just select it and you can assign the color whatever you want, or what you can do it, assign palettes and just click on OK. Okay, this is how you can add categorical palettes. Now if we want to add sequential custom color palettes or diverging custom color palettes. So you can just repeat the same step. Go to preference.tps file, open it. You can rename the file. Let me make it to sequential palettes and change the type to ordered sequential and save it. Just repeat the same step. Just close the Tableau workbook and open it again. Now, to apply sequential color palettes, just remove this and drag, drop it into the color and select our sequential color palettes. Okay, and just click on OK. Now you can see sequential color palettes is applied to our view. Okay, and if you want to use diverging custom color palettes, just repeat the same step. Go to preference and rename it and change it to diverging. Okay, just save it and close it and restart the Tableau, and from there you can use diverging custom color palettes. Okay, this is how you can add custom color palettes in the Tableau. Thank you so much guys. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos.